respectable principal, ma'am, statutory teacher, and my dear from first of grade morning. My name is Insha from first grade. Today I am going to decide a poem. Teddy bear, turn it around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. Oh God, my Father, I am your little child. Give me your love, show me your light. That I wait, follow the way. Do things good and things right. But the three little fish play in the pool, down in the water, clear and cool. Up come a big fish, sky and play, but the three little fish sing away. You are a mouse, you are a cat. 1, 2, 3, you catch me. Thank you. Have a nice day.